Hello, everybody.
Hello, guys.
Something interesting today.
Yeah, very, very interesting. Skype. You know that service, Skype, that Microsoft has owned for the past couple of years. It's actually been a very, very long time. Well, guess what? It's been discontinued today. But
You won't believe this, guys. So, let me explain. They've sold it.
FaceTime video. Sam Magic.
Skype has stopped working.
it isn't
Guys,
sold.
on GroupMe, I signed up and I got a message from you. Won't believe this. Skype going onto my phone number saying a bunch of numbers. I'm not going to say it because it's my security code. Is your account security code for GroupMe? And it was from Skype, but also signing with the Microsoft option. Now this was weird. It also had an open co-pilot option when I set it,
Yeah, that was weird.
and it feels like the OG Skype.
It may actually contain the same design.
Could be.
Obviously, Skype I think was there since Windows Vista or XP.
What's that?
Just War Shovel, playing a bit of War Shovel.
I'm not sure if that music is copyright free.
Huh?
Oh,
Is it?
sampling. I'm not sure if it's copyright free.
I think it is.
It might not be.
Still. Anyway, guys. So, yeah. If you aren't making groups all the time, get GroupMe. Or
And so,
Teams is
get
rubbish.
GroupMe now.
Guys, Microsoft Teams is rubbish.
Yeah, don't get Teams. It's rubbish. It's a waste of time.
it's meant for businesses, bro.
Yeah, businesses.
Like, this is the whole reason why I think Microsoft bought Skype. I think it's because that Teams is based off Skype. So, I think Skype is...
Guys, can I stop the recording on my end? Because I need to go to the toilet. I need to pause.
okay. Pause.
Recording checkbox not checked. Right, so,
I'm
Alfie.
going to mute myself.
Okay.
Alfie,
Yeah?
are you okay?
Yeah.
Right, so, let's do the next thing I was going to do, which is... Hey, Alfie, do you want to talk about, as well, since we're doing a video, I thought might as well. Do you want to talk about some Apple devices things, like...
Well, yeah. Well, Samsung, you've done an absolute terrible job. And I'm actually saying this because I don't actually like Samsung, but I'm saying this now. Samsung has done a worthless job of the Chromebook Plus. I mean, what the hell have they done? No search key at all. Speech doesn't work. Chromevox doesn't even work properly. It's a full-on touchscreen.
View font. Stop. Pause video.
Who's talking about the illegal Chromebook Plus from Samsung?
Me and Sam.
I'm a Karen.
Like,
I'm just a
like I'm actually not kidding. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous.
Fair enough. I mean a Karen. Where's the
Excuse me?
Where's the manager?
Oh yeah.
Now! Why throw my pickles out of my burger?
I haven't had a date since 1972.
Quick message from Tencent. Hold on, we've got a quick message from Tencent.
Hang on,
This
hold on.
broadcast has been interrupted by Tencent Inc. from China. We love selling your data.
Oh, yes, you're in a checkbox.
We team with Amazon. We strive to make you sad. And makes you can't.
Log on to my computer. Skype loading computer.
This is why it owns part of Discord.
Do, do, do.
Oh my god. Ah!
Let's go anywhere on my computer now.
Oh my.
Let's log in. Let's jump into OBS.
Why do you even have OBS?
Not OBS.
Why do you even have OBS when you don't even use it?
Not OBS.
Honestly, guys, I'm actually thinking of using OBS. Okay, that happened. Anyway.
Well, anyways, let me open my start menu and let me type Audacity.
Start window. Search window. Search box. Edit.
Blank.
Audacity.
Audacity that good. Tiles.
Hey, should we watch the downgrader video again?
Yeah.
After this.
Yes. You should.
OBS. Opening OBS.
You can play it, but can you screen share?
Yeah.
Opening OBS here and I'll check
Sam,
the
I have a question. Why do you even have OBS when you don't even use it?
I just haven't.
Is it because that you might stream?
Yeah, it's because
No!
Speaking of OBS, I actually might use it once I
hate
get
OBS.
once I get my what?
OBS is rubbish.
Oh my god! No, actually, seriously, wait.
OBS is
Once I
rubbish.
get my annoying rubbish 32-bit Windows 10 system back.
Deal with it, Alfie. My Chromebook acts like a 16-bit device.
16-bit is like Windows NT3,
I know.
which is from 1992, I think.
start menu. Any blank.
I know.
Signal. Opening Signal.
Oh.
To log into your account, please click next button. Edge.
Yeah.
Let's use Edge, shall we? Let's
Oh,
type
got Samsung Galaxy S25 in the middle
I'm gonna do this video of them that.
Did you just call it a stream?
No.
Did you just call it as excuse me?
No, excuse me.
Did you just call it excuse me?
No, I just called. No, I was like, excuse me? What's up with this stream?
It's not even a stream, it's a video.
You should turn this stream into a comedy show.
Oh yeah, that was funny.
It's gonna be the best stream ever next. Is the comedy show stream.
It's not a stream.
If it was, then I would be using Streamlabs.
Stupid Streamlabs.
Well, because you can't use it. You're going to have to use Twitch now. And that's
Yeah,
even more
because
rubbish because it quits the live stream after like 30 minutes.
I probably need to delete my channel to live stream at this point.
Not again.
Well, I might need to.
Don't you have another channel anyway? Like, you have loads of vaults.
No, that other one I don't like. Plus the old account.
And by the way, speaking of alts, why Alfie's Tech on TTS Productions maybe having its first ever stream, maybe? Even though it is made for TTS, I'm still doing streams on it.
Oh.
Oh my god.
What?
And I've got no subscribers, so if you haven't done already, subscribe to it.
I need more subscribers actually because for some reason Harry's like controlling my subscribers.
Oh yeah, by unsubscribing on every single account possible.
Wait, he actually done that?
He didn't say, he just said that, like, if you use auto cancel, it just automatically unsubscribes, which I don't believe in since I've only got one more. I've only got one auto count.
Maybe
And also-
definitely reach 42.
And also,
How come that we didn't be on the same amount?
I think oh yeah, about that. Remember we said about the bro note thing.
Yeah.
So I need to subscribe to you again.
Oh yeah.
My mouse is not responding on my computer.
What's a simple case of using Windows?
Nah, the keyboard is.
Nah, the touch screen.
No, it's not.
There is a touch screen on Windows now.
I know, but they used to not be. It's not that modern as the keyboard.
How dare you say that the keyboard is modern? The keyboard has been here since like the 1970s. The touch screen has been here since like the 1990s.
And
also, no computer manufacturer didn't even use the touchscreen until like 2020s.
I know. So I think that keyboards are just the more common way.
To get errors.
No.
To be honest, you do get a lot of errors in using like your internal keyboard, like I did.
No, you do with touch screen because drivers.
I've actually used the Galaxy Book with a touchscreen and it's kind of good. Like, especially with Narrator because it actually feels like Windows Mobile. Even though I haven't tested Windows Mobile.
You haven't even tried Windows Mobile, I'm pretty sure.
I know, but I'm actually thinking of getting like an old Acer thing. Maybe not an Acer, but I might get like a, I don't know, like a Surface.
I'm gonna ask for Christmas that I get a Windows laptop.
I know you said.
I mean, I'm
It's the best
having
thing to get. And
What are you
it's the best
doing,
thing to
Nathan?
get.
my Chromebook is 16-bit.
Yeah, my Windows is like 32-bit.
Lucky. I'm
It's
gonna
not
ask if I can get a
lucky.
64-bit computer.
It's not lucky. Partly because I bet Windows 12 doesn't support 32-bit.
Guys, I'm gonna ask if I can get a 64-bit computer.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to get a new computer next year, partly because I'm getting a new Mac this year, but...
And 128-bit comes out.
Oh, that won't be until like the 2100s. They've literally just invented 64-bit. What do you want to do? Oh, and
Yeah,
also
exactly.
we need to actually get the maximum RAM, which is actually going to take ages. We're still on gigabytes, remember? We've got terabytes to come, and now we've got like exabytes, which is like the maximum.
I'm probably gonna get like 8 gigs of RAM.
8 gigs of RAM.
I'd get 16, Nathan.
Yeah, 16 is quite good.
I know, but the thing is, yeah, it can run Steam.
Yeah, so can 16 gigs.
Well, 16 gigs is better because you
Oh,
can
and
run more
also,
applications.
virtual machines are actually good to run on 8 gigs because you can have 8 gigs for the VM and you can also have 8 gigs for the system.
Menu, edit blank.
I'm not gonna do virtual machines.
Menu, edit blank. Name Python.
Why are you making me get 16 gigs? Because it's more expensive.
Yeah, but like, just get one from like Guide Dogs or something.
What? And are you sure we're gonna be like 64-bit?
Yeah. Just ask for the model that that you can get. Ask for the same model that Sam's got if you want.
What?
Ask for the same model that Sam's got.
I don't think that's 64-bit.
It is.
It is.
I don't know.
It's from 2022. And also, basically, no computer manufacturer does not make 32-bit systems anymore.
And how many gigs of RAM does it have?
16. Oh, and also, here's a quick tip for you. 32-bit, the maximum RAM that it can support is up to 4 gigs. So it is 64-bit.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. My Chromebook acts like 16-bit.
Oh, and also your Chromebook's like 32-bit, I think.
It's not.
Because it is using Intel Celeron, I think.
It wouldn't be that slow.
Actually, no, isn't it using MediaTek? Or is that Harry's?
That's Harry's. Mine's Intel
Celeron.
Intel Gemini Lake's Chromebook.
Yeah, so that's like Celeron.
I'm pretty sure your Chromebook got in 2011.
Yeah, literally. Actually, no,
Start menu. Edit blank.
his Chromebook's faster than a 2011 one.
No, it's not.
Actually, no, I'm thinking of the school Chromebooks.
It's not, I guarantee you that.
We've only basically got like 2 Windows computers at my school.
When you come to St. Vincent's House, we have loads of Windows computers.
They literally have full-on desktops.
Yep.
We're lucky. I would like to like steal one of their like desktops. And also, why on earth did they teach me how to put hello on the text editor? I know how to use a computer.
Text editor for what?
Like for the Windows, like wasn't it Word?
Yeah.
Like seriously, what the hell?
They taught you how to do that.
Yeah, and like
Didn't you keep pressing the force out of the number and it was like going super loud?
No, that was at my nursery. That was like ages ago. That was like when I was like 3 years old.
Imagine you've done that.
And also, that was running like Windows 7. Because it may, or not, because I don't know, it might have been running Windows 8. And also, when I was in reception, they literally had a Windows 8 desktop. Like, who would invent such thing?
Yeah.
Like,
Start menu. Edit blank. Opening YouTube. Window.
I was like, what the hell?
Y. YouTube. App. Window. Press enter to skip that.
Does it come with NVDA or any screen reader?
What?
You can ask for JAWS screen reader, Nathan. You can ask for pre-installed software, so like, you can ask for JAWS screen reader.
No!
Is it activated?
No, it isn't, but you have to ask for it.
Bro!
The point of that is it's not activated.
Oh my god! Someone
You
gets
can
angry
get
that Jaws
Or you
isn't
can ask, or you can
activated.
install NVDA and use narrators and install it.
Honestly, Jaws sucks anyway. Like, the navigation, especially on a 32-bit computer, is downgraded. And also, who cares about AI features when NVDA already has that? For free.
V.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Where's that?
I think it's coming in the 2025 update. Jaws has beaten them.
NVDA.
But I think that's partly. I think you can install like extensions for AI anyway.
NVDA.
I know that there's a ChatGPT add-on.
I want to see what that actually is, unless it makes it more accessible.
Start
I don't
menu. Edit blank.
And also, the reason why I've been making more videos is because I want to like use all my time possible over this bank holiday weekend.
It is a bit rushed though.
Yeah, but you know, I just want to get the viewers' interests.
Yep.
I know, but if you rush them, it's kind of gonna.
Well, yeah. We've done 2 chatting videos today, like this weekend.
NVDA. Recycle bin.
Recycle. Oh yeah, I found this YouTube short yesterday where this guy literally had 2 2TB SSDs. You know, like those videos where it's like tech support. And
Yeah.
his recycle bin had almost like it had like 6 terabytes of storage in there, and you forgot to empty the recycle bin.
Empty recycle bin.
Honestly, I remember when I emptied my recycle bin on my Mac and it took like 3 minutes. Just because it contained Xcode. That's like 3 gigs, I think.
So,
Yeah, when I get a new Mac with ARM, I will be able to use it properly.
Are you going to install Nugget?
Nah, because I don't really want to brick my device. Because it is risky.
Plus it disables Find My.
Yeah, and it's risky.
turn off my PC.
Why not do it on your iPhone SE first, Jen?
Or second gen. No, I'm not doing it on my second gen, partly because that's a backup device.
Do it on your first.
Unless it, no, because I don't even think it will support it.
Oh, yeah.
And also
Yeah.
because it's running iOS 15.
If it runned iOS 17, at least you would be.
Maybe 16, but
You could use Upgrader, but Upgrader utility has been sued and now they are no longer operational.
bruh. After only 1 week.
I know. We only had 1 week and then Apple sued them.
Obviously they sued them because literally all they had to do, like this is all we had to do. All our users, we could just download the IPSW from another device.
No, you don't download the IPSW. You go to Upgrader, go to settings, then YAML configuration, then YAML upgrades, then YAML installation, then YAML sources. Find the Upgrader source, select it, and then select on the version you want to upgrade to. You can also downgrade or you need an add-on. And then go to
Add on dialogue.
then general, software updates, upgrade,
Software
and
update.
then YAML update.
That
And then
sounds like the most
update.
complicated settings ever.
I know. The most
Oh, and by the
complicated is installing it.
Why
because
does
it's like-
Harry, all the time, when I call him, like this is actually true, guys, when I call Harry and I'll tell him about a thing, he always says, I have to go, but can you text me the instructions? I'm like, oh, do I really have to? Can't I tell you now? Like, he does this all the time. Like, I was trying to get him, like, you know that navigation sound add-on?
Yeah.
I was trying to help him to get it, but it was about to shut down his PC. So I was like, okay, before you do
Alfie,
that. Yeah?
I'll tell you the rest. So after you go into YAML updater, you need to select the version file, which is, it's going to be like 18.6, for example.
That
or
isn't even an
IPS
update yet.
And then you select install.
Oh.
And then it's going to absolutely destroy your screen, and then it's going to update.
Oh! Yeah, the simplest way is just to get an IPSW, then restore it from that.
Apparently, it does a bunch of wheels on your screen and stops flashing it off your device.
Suno active.
And after it's updated, it absolutely flashes your screen away.
Speaking of Suno, if you try and upload anything and you try and do like a cover, make a song based on my clip, it doesn't work. It just sends an invalid request.
Yeah, I've been getting that, Alfie.
Alfie,
Yeah?
and also I think the funniest bit is when you unlock your device, it says thanks for jailbreaking.
Oh! Oh!
That was put in as a joke.
Thanks for jailbreaking our devices.
And when you press upgrade completely, it's going to break your camera for a second. It messes with a lot of the system. It even changes your device identifier.
It's weird holding an iPhone 16, but with like a smaller camera.
Yeah. So change it to an iPhone 16 model.
No, like what I mean is, like, because obviously I've been to the Apple Store today, and I have held an iPhone 16e for the very first time. It just feels like a aluminum body and basically a matte glass back, like the normal 16.
Please tell me they've kept the home button.
No.
Yeah, after the third gen gets discontinued, I'm switching.
It would honestly be great if they made an iPhone 17, like an iPhone 16H.
If that had a home button, that would be good.
I mean, that's why I said H, home button.
Yeah. By the way, and also, with the upgrader, I'm pretty sure you can also install third-party screen readers.
Okay. That's good.
That's in. Do you know what one person done?
What?
They installed Jaws.
How? When that isn't even accessible? Well, actually, technically it is, but yeah.
But it did not work at all.
I can tell.
Someone tried to install macOS's voiceover and that worked fine.
Of course it worked. It basically uses trackpad navigation.
And this is the one. One other person tried to install NVDA.
That would have worked, maybe.
And one other person tried to install Orca.
Nah, then that's just getting over the top.
Yeah, it embedded a bunch of kernel modules.
Right, Alfie.
Yeah.
You know when I'm gonna go to the Apple Store soon as well. Well, when I go to the Apple Store, I'm gonna have a little look at the new Macs.
It's good. Although it does glitch out system information.
And also, I'm gonna look at the new iPhone 16
They've got rid of
Pro.
pricing. They've got rid of pricing now because you know, like you've got like Explore on the iPhones, which is an Apple retail app. You can't download it. Pricing was the Mac version. They have got rid of that, especially on iPads. They've got rid of that whole app just for nothing. And then they replaced it with Explore.
Alfie.
Yeah.
And I think this is the weirdest one. Someone built their own screen reader from scratch.
Like you did with NetOS.
Yeah, that's a fail.
I just wish that we could actually see what it was like.
Set up your iPhone 16
You know what?
Pro Max.
What?
There's a reason why NetOS failed.
Yeah.
The speed of upcoming software and drivers. I had to quit because I couldn't get all the drivers. But that went so far. I was so close to actually making Server, which was like a server hosting thing which you can use the system as a server.
Oh. Speaking of servers, you know that utility app that I'm developing called Blindsoft Utilities? I'm making a new category
Hey, we're
called
not going to
server.
reveal that server thing yet. That's going to be upcoming later.
That's going to be interesting.
Guys, you might need a Raspberry Pi though.
No, you don't. You can just make it straight from your iPad or iPhone.
I don't think it would work though.
Well, I'm actually letting them connect it to a Raspberry Pi, but yeah.
I think what would be a good idea is if we would basically
That's Honeywanny.
I don't think it's possible because you'll need a configuration profile and
No, because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make them let their own files and everything.
Alfie,
Yeah?
why don't you try, right? I'm just got an idea. Why don't you try this, right? So, you know how you can side things on Android, right?
Uh-huh.
I've seen this thing on YouTube Shorts where apparently you can side load loads of different things.
Of course you
And
can.
there's this thing you can side load. I can't remember what it's called, but you apparently can side load NVDA.
That's commentary screen reader. It's basically a version of NVDA.
NVDA.
Anyway, guys, I will be back. Nathan and Sam, you can entertain the viewers.
guys, so I'm gonna tell you how you install Upgrader, even though you can't guess it. So I'm pretty sure it was upgrader dot. I think it was upgrader.io.
Let me go ahead.
And then you look for the option. So you see this like an option saying install upgrader now. And what it's going to do is, for the first time, it'll take you to a VPN page. You need to install WireGuard, and there's a little setup file which asks for you. Download that and import it into WireGuard. That's going to block the revokes. And so the next thing, you go back to that page, and then go back, and then press install now. And then it will do a check, and it will take you to this page saying ready to upgrade your device. We are so sorry that you've lost access for new versions. Click here to download. So it's going to be like a link saying click here to download.
I'm back, guys.
Pressing that, it's going to say upgrader.io wants to install an app or something like that. It might change because they might re-release it in some form. You press install. Okay, so this is going to be a enterprise app. Now you go into settings and turn on airplane mode. This will be important later. Now go into general, VPN and device management, and select the upgrader LLC file certificate. That's actually what they've named it. Upgrader LLC file. Now you need to select verify app. And now it's going to connect to that VPN server and verify it. Now you need to press trust, and then I'm pretty sure it's like allow and restart. And then it's going to say it's going to say something like install profile. Press that. Now you're going to get a on-screen message from Upgrader saying press OK to start the major installation. Don't turn off your device. So press OK, and it's going to absolutely break your screen for a second. And then it's going to show a pop-up saying, thank you for installing the Upgrader. Press done to return to your lock screen. Your lock screen may have been slightly changed due to installation issues. So if you press done, your wallpaper will be a bit glitched. No worries, you can fix that. Just replace that quickly. Now unlock your device. And now you guys are asking, where's the upgrader app?
Stop, pause video.
The upgrader app is basically, for the first time,
Basically,
you need to go into settings, and then
yep.
it's going to, it might not bring up this, but it's going to say about an app, like profile downloaded. If it doesn't, you want to go into the website and then press continue, since it's going to load. So basically you can press I've installed it. It's going to ask to open a little page, and it's going to ask to open the page in that. Just press open that. It's going to open the upgrader app. So this product, earlier you would have to pay for a license, but now you don't. It's filled and everything, and it's going to submit it. And now you're going to be placed into a menu. Now you need to go into download, and then select the iOS version you want to download. Now press continue to installation. And now, done. So now you have the iOS upgrader file. Now you want to go to settings, general, software updates, upgrader updates, and now it's going to bring up a pop-up. And you want to press on open. It's going to wait a second, it's going to load up. Now it's going to take you to the file because it's asking where the YAML is. The YAML details.yaml folder is. This folder has software update packages you've installed. So press on Find, and now go into the upgraded file system and press Turn on, because that will enable access to it. And now you're going to have like 7 folders: YAML, package, install, readme, install candidates, check, and build. So go to YAML, and then YAML instructions, and then etc, and then mo, and then type plist. Type plist is a folder again. Okay, and then YAML details.yaml is a folder, and then it's like a zip. It's actually a folder, yeah. You click it, and now you just select on the YAML details.yaml underscore file compress dot. It's going to be a dot upgrader pk. It's going to be dot uppkg. Just select it. It's going to take you to this UI. It's going to be like a command prompt. Just don't type anything apart from run space as space sudo. That will run it. Hold on. That'll run it as the sudo user group, and it's going to load. It's going to eat chocolate. Oh, I'm joking, it won't. And then it's going to absolutely smash your screen.
Again.
Yeah, absolutely breaks your screen with all the flashing. And it's going to ask if you'll find it changing your device ID, because iOS will find you out instantly when you update or when you verify. This is why the verification system app when you update exists. Now it's going to warn you that this process is dangerous and it's not recommended unless if you know what you're doing. So you press on install now. It's going to crash your device, the screen's going to go blank, and you're going to see a little flash in like 6 seconds. You'll make a few sounds, and now some music will start playing. It's like slow, humming kind of music. There's drums and like it's speaking out a percentage of the installation. When it restarts, the Apple logo will come up, and it will update. When it's done, you'll see a message saying upgrade has upgraded your device firmware successfully. Then you press OK. Now go back into the home screen. So this is important. Now you'll see why. Go into settings, airplane mode, and turn that back on because it will turn off when you update, and go into privacy and security, developer mode, turn it on.
Don't you have to have a Mac?
No, it makes it think that a Mac was trying to connect.
Oh.
And then press restart and allow or something. I can't remember what it was now. I'm pretty sure it was a restart.
Yeah, something like that.
It will basically say ready to enable developer mode and just some information about it. It will say swipe up to continue or press home to continue. Just press your home button and enter your passcode.
That's if you do have a home button.
Enter what?
That's if you do have a home button.
I know. then enter it again, and then it's going to install a new app called Upgrade or Logs. This Logs app is where you can get logs for an error code. So if you reach out to the support team, they will ask for one log file. So if an update fails, it will revert back, and you will get a little alert in the Logs app. Now you can just share that to support, and they will look at it. And when they've done that, they will leave you a message. I'm pretty sure it pops up full screen. It might not. You can just press OK.
How do you know it's off by heart?
I don't know. I just do. I can just remember it.
Can you show us upgraded.io after this video?
I don't think I can because the website's been taken down.
Just try.
Because remember, they've been sued and they've been forced to take the website down.
Yeah, but try, okay?
Why?
I just want to see what it is, and I want to see if it's actually true.
And what if it's not a website anymore?
Well, if it's not, then yeah.
So if it doesn't take you to the website, then it does exist, but it's been taken down. It might come back, guys. I don't know, but the developer of this is currently in a stage of depression, apparently.
Apple would eventually find out.
I can tell how he is depressed from making all this code. Because it changes your device identifier. End of that. Actually, I could show you what upgraded.io now if you want.
How?
On my Chromebook.
Oh yeah.
Upgraded.io got completely removed. So if you had Upgrader installed, I'm pretty sure it'd say repository error.
Yeah.
It will either say repository error, or it will just crash and warn you that it's a virus.
Your iPhone has a virus.
You see, people have made modified versions of this, and it's got antivirus thing in it,
Your iPhone has a virus.
which can't be removed because it's part of this certificate.
Signing in. Your PIN couldn't be verified. Try again. Hit Control-Shift-Space to switch key. Signing in.
Hit Control-Shift-Space, signing in. Hit Control-Shift-Space, sign in.
It could
Window.
shift space to
No. Hey. Button. Window. Launcher. Google Chrome. Button. Shelf.
I'm going to try upgrader.io. I don't know why every iOS hacker
Address
in fact
is bar.
use .io.
Twitch.tv/non-1.
Oops.
Twitch.tv non. Upsearch.
Upgrader.
A. D. E. R.
Dot.
Updater search. List item. R. E. D. A. G. E. G. A. G. A. R.
G.
R.
It's GRA.
I know.
Upgrader search. List item.
Dot.
1 of 10. Dot.
On your own.
I. O. Skip to elliptical. Twitch home. Visited. Link.
Twitch.
Press search plus space to activate.
Something tells me that it's been taken
Bookmark
down.
this tab. Button. Alert. Buy now $100,000 United States dollars. Radio button selected.
Holy!
This domain can be yours. Own this domain. Heading 2. This domain is for sale.
The registrar sold it!
Hey!
The registrar sold
condition. Privacy settings.
I wonder if
Use
this
site
is good,
information.
Daddy.
Address and search bar. domain.com/by-domain/upgrader.io.
There you go, guys. Gone.
0.
At least it's not Go Daddy.
In background wallpaper Beach Hudson Brighton and Hove. England.
I can tell why this guy's depressed.
Wallpaper. Click to see ellipsis.
How much can you get it for now?
Oh, England copyright Moonstone
What?
images.
How much can you get it now?
What?
How much can you get the domain?
It's like $100,000.
That's a
It
lot.
said,
That's a lot of money.
so like buy now $100,000.
So yeah, at least it's not Go Daddy.
So guys, if you buy the domain, you might get the HTML.
Yep.
Alfie,
Yeah.
thinking of ending the video here.
Yeah.
Alfie, so Upgrader does exist, it just looks like the domain's been sold by the registrar.
What about upgrade.com?
It's not upgrader.com.
Yeah, but imagine if it's been moved to that.
I don't think it has, because you can't afford the .com.
Why?
They're too expensive.
How? That IO website was $100,000. That's a lot.
It might have been a glitch, because like .coms are really expensive.
Mm. So should we end it here?
You stop. User study.
Wait.
Stop.
Wait. And also, what's user study?
I don't know.
I don't have it.
I know, but I don't know what it is.
Ask your device to open it.
It might be. Wait, well.
Stop.
Wait. 1. Bye, guys.